Hey everybody, it's Kelly, and I am back with day 9. And now that I'm thinking about it, day 9 for my December daily, and I am going to put a photo of my nativity scene here, and that is because I'm going to trim this a little bit yet. I have a new spot for it this year, and so I wanted to highlight that. I've had this particular nativity scene for a long time, probably my very early 20s. So it's more than, at least the base of it, this piece of it is probably more than 30 years old, actually. So these are not big enough in any way to take up the space that they need to. So I'm thinking that I'm going to need a card here, maybe to journal on. And I'm thinking, whenever I think of nativity, I think of Mary and I think of blue. So I want to just look and see if I've got a blue card. This is one of them that might work. Actually, that might work. Okay, and then I did grab some blue paper. I'm not sure I like that together. So I think what I'm going to do is grab these two. This is going on this one. Grab these two here. And I'm going to cut my cards right away for this paper. Just tape these together right away because then I won't have to think about that. This might need to be a different color once I kind of get this sort of lined up here. Okay, so there's that one. I'm thinking we're going to put this in. I could probably still lose a little bit more of this. Although I think if I do more than that, it'll be weird because you won't realize that those are chairs. And you know, to me, yeah, there's a lot of stuff in this photograph that I don't love, but it is the reality of how it looks in real life. So that someday I won't be living here and I'll go, oh yeah, I remember the buffet was in that spot, and that kind of a thing. Okay, this looks like it's not quite even. I don't know. Anyway, close enough, I think. So we'll put that one there. And then this one goes on the back of this. So maybe what I'll do is to make my life easy. And I didn't cut this other one quite even. So I think what I'm going to do is just cut around it like this after I've got it on there. Okay. This is easier than, I used to measure and trim and all that. Now I just do what I'm doing, which is just use it like this because it goes quicker. Now it's probably a little bit harder for you guys to see there. This is not quite straight. So I'm going to try to even this off just a little bit. Okay. And then this card will go on here. How I'm going to do that, I'm going to wait a little bit. So now that I'm looking at this, I'm feeling like this is too much blue maybe. So let's go back and see if we have a green that could work here. And I like the green, although guess what? That card is not, it's not as big as the piece behind it, so I would probably need to do a little trimming there. I've also got this one too that says Christmas Magic. Now that's white, and it feels a little bit too white. Okay. The rest of it is like, I saw another green card in there. It's definitely white. Oh, I also have this too. So I could, this could be interesting. I have these pockets, and I could put this, do this paper, and then do the pocket, which I like that idea. It's something a little bit different. Okay, so that's where I've had these pockets for years. It doesn't tell me when. It says quick cuts on it. Here's the opening. It's not opening for me very nicely though, so you know, I think I'm just gonna do this. Oh, there's two of them in here. So what I'm going to do then is grab this one and do another piece of that paper. In the interest of not being wasteful, I'm just gonna trim this whole thing down because the picture's a little bit bigger than this is. So let's see. Let's see if I can tell. Okay, let's do it this way. So then I won't have to trim the one side, or if I do, it'll be just a little bit. And then I'm going to trim this whole photograph down, which it's fine. There's nothing. Yes. All right. Yeah. Okay. So we have that, and then I'm just going to put this back in the pocket because I'm going to attach this to the outside of the pocket. I like little things like that, little surprises, little pieces that feel more interactive, that you have to kind of do something. And then, oh, I forgot about this, that this is like you can open it up. So then, interesting, because I have this is a piece from Illustrative Faith, and it's a Christmas piece here, and it says things like the reason for the season, he is a gift. I think this is supposed to be Mary and Joseph and baby Jesus, so I'm going to put them on here. You won't be able to see this at the top, but I'm okay with that. And then this will hide in the pocket, just like this. And it will be white. Okay, then I kind of like that he is the reason for the season. Then maybe I grab some washi here. I'm going to put that on this. Except let's get it to go so it's pointing inside here. Okay, where's this going to go? Because this might, that might make me think about, I think this needs to go here. I do still need to get day 9. Oh, I need to get day 9 on here. So I somehow incorporate all this together. Okay, so what I'm going to do, and I already taped that pocket down. It would be good if I could get it back up because, oh, well, especially because this seems to be letting go a little bit here. So I'm going to do two things here. I'm just going to wrap this tape to the inside so that doesn't stick, and then we're going to run a strip of ATG across this since it seems to be coming apart here. Okay, then now I will say that I don't love that this is completely blank here, but because of what's going on, it's going to. And then what I'll do is I'll open this up and I can journal in here, maybe even put a sticker on there or something afterwards. We'll see once I actually do it. So now I want this to kind of sit here like that. Yes. Then I think this will sit this about 2 rows up here. I think I'm going to leave this pocket just as it is. So let's get that one in here. And then decide if I want to do anything more with this pocket. I think it needs something up here. Oh, this is kind of cool because there's this little illustration. I missed this until just this minute, so let's see. I think that's too much. You know what I'm going to do with this, though? That can go in here. So there's a little decoration everywhere. Okay, so that's going to go in there. Now these won't stick because they are, but you have to be careful about that. Okay, so we have that. This I could put a little enamel dot or something. I might do that. Or something. I'll maybe a puffy or something. Okay, so then this. Oh, this would be a cool place to put the word joy. I also have Jesus here too. Ooh, which that could go there. Okay, let's get joy on here first. And I know this is white, but so is the nativity. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's a little tight now with the second one in here. So I'm going to come back. I'm going to trim this up just a little bit. And this side up just a little bit. Okay, let's try this again. Once I put the other paper and the picture on, it was really tight. And I don't need to get it apart, but okay, so I'm just going to do the word joy here in the middle. Okay, I do need something right here. I don't think this puffy is the right thing. I think this is too, that word Jesus is a little bit too big for this. Yeah, it would have been okay there. And I think it's too much down here as I look at that. So, okay, not necessarily a white puffy. Something in that blue color family would be good. Which I think we're back to my sequins again. We use those early on. I know I have some from, too big. Yeah, I was gonna say, I know I have some from my Secret Not Secret Kit Club, but those are too big. So there is this present here, but that's the same size as that Jesus Is the Reason. So let's grab one of these big ones. And I'm also going to get my, and that I think needs to nestle right there, otherwise it's not, it'll, oh, whew. Okay, that was too big. It's because I have my little stuff out here, or my little sequins, my little stuff. Okay, you can tell I didn't clean up, by the way, can't you, from yesterday? That happens. Not in normal scrapbooking usually, but definitely at this time of year it does. Nestle that under there just a little bit. And do I want to do another one? So we have a third one. Yeah, there we go. Okay, guys, I think that's it. I'm done with day number 9. Tomorrow, day 10. Hope you guys are well, and I'll be back again tomorrow with another video. Bye.